video, I will try to explain um, the concept of Git stage, Git work tree, the local and global repository. Before showing you it with code, I want to draw it on a whiteboard and try to explain you how these Git locations work. So first, we have a work tree, a work tree. Um, this is called a work tree. And work tree is nothing but your files that you have it here. This is your working tree. These are the files that is located on your system. And the first thing you do is when you want to make a change on your project, you do it on the working tree. So after you modify a file in the working tree, you modify the file, and then you use the git add command. When you use git add command, of course, there are some other ways. For example, you might want to use this command for the entire project, entire folder, sorry, or you might specify a file. And what does it do? It sends the files that we modified to the staging state. So this is git stage. Git stage only contains the files that we made changes. So after it goes to the git stage, now the modified file is here. Modified file. And when we the status of the files, and I also want to talk about the git status. The status of the file when it's only in the working tree and if we haven't added them to the git stage is untracked. And after adding it to the stage area, the git status is the file of the status of the file is when we run this, it will be git staged. And after this, we have a location called a local repository. And let's say, okay, we modified a file in the working tree, we added it to the git stage, and then we want to commit that change to the local repository. What is local repository? Local repository is the copy of the remote repository. And we can also draw it like this. The remote repository is the original state of the project. Local repository is the copy of that remote repository. And one more thing is that when we use git push, git commit, it adds that file to the local repository. To Git repository. to the local in the repository. And yeah, for the diagram part, it's just for now. Then in the next video, I will show you the code.